Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix death wobble in a Jeep Wrangler JK. Death wobble is a terrifying, violent shaking of your front end that can make you feel like your vehicle is falling apart. It's a rapid oscillation in your steering components, typically triggered at speeds above 45 miles per hour after hitting a bump or pothole. This isn't just a minor vibration. It's a severe safety issue that needs to be addressed promptly. Several factors can contribute to death wobble. The most common causes include worn suspension components such as your front track bar, ball joints, and control arm bushings. Loose or damaged steering linkages, like the tie rod ends and drag link, also play a significant role. Additionally, issues like unbalanced tires, improper alignment, or even incorrect tire pressure can act as triggers, amplifying existing problems in your Jeep's front end. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. Speaking of things that keep your life running smoothly, consider upgrading your home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleaning effortless. You can find a link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To diagnose death wobble, begin with a comprehensive inspection of your Jeep's front suspension and steering. Look for any loose bolts, worn bushings, or damaged components. Pay close attention to the track bar, ball joints, and tie rod ends, as these are frequent problem areas. Once identified, replace any worn or broken parts. Finally, always get a professional tire balance and a complete front-end alignment to ensure everything is properly set and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.